We also want to protect things in our own backyard, like the Florida corals. There's a blight going through the corals. It's a disease that is taking over all of the corals south and east of Florida, which is just devastating for the ecosystem. And so zoos are acting as reservoirs for those species of coral to protect them so they don't get killed off by the disease until we can figure out how to stop it and how to prevent it. And so the plan is that the corals that we have here in Nashville will actually go back to the wild. And so we could really save a species from extinction by doing this.
After producing a commercial for my local zoo, I discovered my passion for ocean conservation, endangered species, and the environment. Oil spills, plastic pollution, ocean noise, ghost nets, and the 8 million metric tons of plastic waste dumped into our oceans each year. All concepts I discovered while researching online. But researching was not enough. My media teacher encouraged me to step beyond the walls of the traditional classroom and conduct my own investigation, going straight to the source, which led me on a journey I will never forget.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, how are you doing?
Good. Welcome to the Navarre Beach Sea Turtle Conservation Center.
Thank you, I'm Pierce.
Nice to meet you, Pierce. I'm Alex.
Good to meet you as well. So, can you tell me a little bit about what you guys do here?
We are a sea turtle conservation center with our mission being conservation, education, and research. We help people and educate people about the importance of sea turtles, marine life, and the ocean environment. So you seem really interested and have some really great questions. Why don't we walk through and learn more about it?
That'd be awesome.
Perfect.
So in your experience, like working with the ocean and being a marine biologist, what would you say is our ocean's biggest problems right now?
It's definitely going to be marine debris and fishing line and fishing net. One of our best, I believe, exhibits here is our marine debris exhibit. So it really showcases the type of pollution that we deal with globally, but also here in our community. Everything in our exhibit is actually trash that's picked up off of our beach.
How does your nonprofit work to be the solution, and how can people like me continue to help clean up the environment so that these animals have a brighter future?
You know, we talk about tides of trash, basically educating people, where does trash go? A lot of people don't know. So learning about how becoming a solution overall of reducing pollution, and specifically plastic pollution. This is basically a replica to show guests what our artificial reef kind of looks like, as well as the type of species of fish that they could potentially encounter while they're snorkeling on our artificial reef here. So we have Sweet Pea. She has an incredible story. We can head that way and learn more about her. And Sweet Pea is a green sea turtle. There are 7 total different species of sea turtles on the planet. All of them are listed as severely threatened or endangered animals. You guys may have noticed that Sweet Pea here went through some pretty severe injuries. So she is missing her front left flipper because she was severely entangled in fishing line and fishing net. You'll also notice a large portion of her shell is missing, and that is attributed to a boat strike, mainly from a prop or a propeller. She also suffered some pretty severe internal injuries as well. She swallowed a lot of the fishing line she was entangled in, which included several fishing hooks, and that caused some pretty severe damage down the intestinal tract. And we use her story to help educate you all about the human impact factor of what we can do to helpfully help these animals and the marine ecosystem overall. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and have a great day through the Navarre Beach Sea Turtle Conservation Center.
The morning after my tour with Alex, I had a conversation with the Navarre Sea Turtle Rescue's founder, Kathy Holmes, who encouraged me to connect with some of the local volunteers who rescue over 50 sea turtles every year. Someone very close to me once gave me the advice to never go to someone with a problem without also offering a solution. I have researched, I have consulted the experts, I now have the hands-on experience volunteering in the field. I now know we face many challenges, so I created this film to educate, to implore you to act, and to share the stories of the work being done by the ocean's heroes around the world. The question is, will you join me in the fight for our planet?